Welcome to the quest for gains. You hit the gym religiously, pushing yourself to the limit. You carefully track your macros, ensuring you're getting enough protein. Yet, you look in the mirror and your reflection mocks your efforts. Your muscles refuse to grow. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many fitness enthusiasts experience frustrating plateaus in their muscle-building journey. It can be disheartening when your body seems resistant to change, despite your unwavering dedication. This guide is your roadmap to understanding the science behind muscle growth, and more importantly, to overcoming those stubborn plateaus. We'll debunk common misconceptions, delve into the physiological reasons why progress stalls, and equip you with practical strategies to reignite your muscle-building fire. Get ready to unlock your true potential and finally see the results you've been working so hard for. Building muscle is a complex process, influenced by a myriad of factors, from your training routine to your nutrition and even your genetics. However, by understanding the underlying mechanisms and applying the right strategies, you can optimize your efforts and achieve significant gains. Remember, consistency is key. Building a remarkable physique takes time and dedication. Stay committed to the process and you will reap the rewards. This journey is about more than just aesthetics. It's about pushing your limits, challenging yourself physically and mentally, and sculpting a stronger, healthier you. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of muscle growth, empowering you to break through plateaus and reach new heights of physical excellence. Before we delve into the science of muscle growth, let's debunk some pervasive myths that often mislead fitness enthusiasts. One common misconception is that more is always better. Many beginners believe that spending hours at the gym, lifting the heaviest weights, is the key to rapid muscle growth. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Overtraining can actually hinder your progress, leading to fatigue, injury, and muscle breakdown. Another myth is that muscle growth is solely determined by genetics. While genetics plays a role in your muscle-building potential, it's not the be-all and end-all. With the right training, nutrition, and recovery strategies, you can maximize your genetic potential and achieve impressive results, regardless of your starting point. Don't let the belief that you're not genetically gifted hold you back. Finally, some people believe that supplements are the magic bullet to muscle growth. While certain supplements can support your efforts, they are not a substitute for hard work and a well-designed training program. Focus on building a solid foundation through proper training, nutrition, and recovery before considering supplements. Remember, supplements are meant to complement, not replace, a well-rounded approach to muscle building. So, why do muscle plateaus happen? The human body is incredibly adaptable. When you consistently expose your muscles to the same stimulus, they eventually adapt, making further progress difficult. This is known as the principle of progressive overload. To stimulate muscle growth, you need to continuously challenge your muscles by increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts. Another reason for plateaus is inadequate nutrition. Muscle growth requires a surplus of calories and protein. If you're not consuming enough of these essential nutrients, your body won't have the building blocks to repair and grow muscle tissue. Pay attention to your calorie intake and ensure you're getting enough protein to support muscle growth. Finally, lack of rest and recovery can also hinder your progress. Rest is crucial for muscle growth, as it allows your body to repair the micro tears and muscle fibers caused by intense training. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and incorporating rest days into your workout routine to allow your muscles to fully recover and grow. Now that we understand why plateaus occur, let's explore some effective strategies for overcoming them. First and foremost, prioritize progressive overload. Continuously challenge your muscles by gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts. This will force your muscles to adapt and grow. Vary your workout routine. Sticking to the same exercises and rep ranges can lead to plateaus. Introduce new exercises, try different training techniques like drop sets or supersets, and experiment with different rep ranges to keep your muscles guessing and stimulate growth. Optimize your training frequency. While consistency is crucial, overtraining can be counterproductive. Finding the right training frequency for your body is key. Some individuals thrive on training each muscle group twice a week, while others may only need to train each muscle group once a week. Experiment to find what works best for you. Section 5. Nutrition fueling your muscles. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in muscle growth. Your body needs the right nutrients to repair and build muscle tissue. Ensure you're consuming a balanced diet that provides sufficient calories, protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is particularly important as it provides the building blocks for muscle growth. Aim for a protein intake of around 1 gram per pound of body weight. Good sources of protein include chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Carbohydrates are also essential, as they provide energy for your workouts and replenish glycogen stores. Choose complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes over simple sugars. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are also important for hormone production and overall health. Rest and recovery are often overlooked aspects of muscle growth. Intense training creates micro tears in muscle fibers, and these tears need time to heal and rebuild stronger. Adequate rest allows your body to repair these tears and promote muscle growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. In addition to sleep, incorporate rest days into your workout routine. Rest days allow your muscles to fully recover and prevent overtraining. Other recovery strategies include stretching, foam rolling, and massages. These techniques can help alleviate muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and promote blood flow to muscles, aiding in recovery. While supplements can play a supporting role in muscle growth, they are not a magic bullet. Focus on getting your nutrition and training right before considering supplements. Some supplements that may be beneficial include creatine, protein powder, and BCAAs. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound that can enhance strength and power output during workouts, leading to greater muscle growth over time. Protein powder can supplement your protein intake, especially if you struggle to get enough protein through your diet alone. BCAAs are essential amino acids that play a role in muscle protein synthesis. However, it's important to note that supplements are not a substitute for a balanced diet and a well-designed training program. Use supplements wisely and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine. Building a remarkable physique takes time and dedication. There's no quick fix or shortcut to muscle growth. Embrace the journey and stay consistent with your training, nutrition, and recovery. Results may not be immediate, but with persistent effort, you will see progress over time. Don't get discouraged by plateaus. They are a natural part of the muscle building process. When you hit a plateau, reevaluate your training, nutrition, and recovery strategies, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, consistency is key. Stay committed to the process, and you will reap the rewards. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Acknowledging your progress will keep you motivated and inspired to continue pushing forward on your fitness journey. The pursuit of muscle growth is a rewarding journey that challenges you physically and mentally. It requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By understanding the science behind muscle growth, debunking common myths, and implementing effective strategies, you can overcome plateaus and unlock your true potential. Remember, muscle growth is a gradual process. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent with your training, nutrition, and recovery, and trust the process. Celebrate your achievements along the way and embrace the journey. With dedication and effort, you can achieve remarkable results and build the physique you've always dreamed of. So, embrace the challenge, push your limits, and enjoy the transformative power of muscle growth.